Greetings from Värmdö again and Björno Sandarna. This is Lilla Sand, the little brother of the two beaches here, Stora Sand and Lilla Sand. And this is not so little, to be fair, compared to the other one, but it's called Lilla Sand and it's in the beautiful nature reserve of Björno, and it's a little bit windy today compared to when I was here 2 or 3 days ago, was it? And yeah, it's then time for yet another beach adventure with Kris on this Sunday. Sunny Sunday, 15 degrees Celsius in the air. I'm not sure how much it is in the waters, but we're gonna find out soon. And yeah, it is 28th of September, edition number 127 of the Sweden Beach Adventures. And today I decided to chill a bit and to sleep more. So I decided not to take the boat to one of the islands. So I am now here at the mainland, here at Lilla Sand in Björno. And I'm wondering how warm or cold it is in the waters, and we're gonna find out very, very soon. But this is quite of a big beach indeed, and there is place, so much space for everyone. But not so many people are on the beach today because it's obviously autumn and towards the last days of the September. So yeah, very nice beach despite the name says Lilla Sand. And now let's hit the waters and see what we are dealing with today on this sunny Sunday. And it is now 11:30 a.m. so I had a little bit of a sleep morning I would say, but as I gotten up at 8. But yeah, it's gonna be nice to go in for a swim. And here there are two separated entries into the beach, divided by some plants, but I must say that Stora Sand, it's a lot more beautiful than this Lilla Sand. But since I have shown you Stora Sand 2 days ago, or 3 was it, so now it's time for another one. Let's see, let's check the water. We have also wind that's coming from the sea, which means it blows a bit more in the towards the beach. And yeah, I'm so happy that I can swim in the sea this late in September, and hopefully the weather will stay the same also next week, so that I can continue exploring the beautiful beaches in Stockholm region and maybe even continue my boat rides. Let's see the temperature also in the water. But yeah, to get here to Lilla Sand is the same trip as I told you to Stora Sand. So the buses 429X and 428X will take you here. There are direct buses during a period of the day, and before and after you need to change at Värmdö Marknad, which is not so of a hassle, and you get to drive the double-decker which goes to Hemsta. That was maybe more information from that you need, but it is 15 degrees Celsius in the sea, which is amazing, and I'm definitely going to be swimming today longer in the waters. In the sea, what I'm trying to say is. So yeah, now let's go to a distance where I can dive in. Here it is pure sand, as the name of the beach says. Sand means sand. Lilla Sand, little sand, but it's a lot of sand here on this beach for sure. And I'm so happy and grateful. There are people that were coming here with the bus with hiking equipment, not so many beach enthusiasts like me for sure. So let's then go into the sea. It really takes a lot longer to get into a deeper depth, how should I say, but yeah, beach adventures with Kris continue, and ready, set, and go! Whew. Amazing, brilliant, I love it. See, it's absolutely stunning and amazing, and I'm looking forward to swim here today at least half an hour. I may be exploring a few other beaches where it's not blowing that much from the sea, but that is a wrap. Lilla Sand for now. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.